Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's interactive JavaScript project, we'll create 3 buttons: happy, angry, and calm. When click these buttons, the background color changes, an emoji appears. The vibe of the page transforms instantly. First, on the HTML structure we need a heading, 3 buttons, and div to display the mood. We will use CSS for styling. The magic happens in the JavaScript. This is where interactivity happens. We grab the buttons and listen for clicks. When you click on each button, the event listener listens to your click event and changes the background color and the text content. I will say it once more, the addEventListener waits for a click. When clicked, we modify CSS using JavaScript. We update text content dynamically. This is DOM manipulation in action. If you enjoyed this interactive project, comment which mood button you clicked first. And click on the subscribe button for more interactive JavaScript projects.